another special unboxing.
Look at the hood.
These gifts are from our wonderful channel supporters, Jackie and Dorothy.
Oh, Jackie and Dorothy.
I think, Hudson, there might be something for you inside.
I think a treat is on the floor.
Oh,
Huds, what are you looking for? Here, let me give him a...
We were giving him treats before.
Yeah, there is one. There is one.
Yeah.
Huds. Huds. Hang on, guys. Huds. Catch.
Oh.
Hey-oh!
And he got it. So,
all right.
Without further ado. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, I got ear nibbles.
He loves his Karla.
This is the card first.
Oh.
Cards first, right, Mr. Hudson? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get you nice and close now for Hudson.
Huds, what is
Karla, happy birthday. James and Hudson, too.
Oh.
See? You're not forgotten.
See, big boy?
Yeah, not forgotten.
The Hudster.
Don't worry.
It's the Hudster.
It's the Hudster.
Oh.
Ooh. Celebrate you.
Oh, nice.
Moments that last a lifetime. Wait a minute. It's a video greeting card. Oh, you scan to watch a video greeting created just for you. So there's a scan code. I think that's complicated. They'll probably do off camera.
Yeah. Oh, that looks great.
Scan the phone here. The video will appear on your phone. The gifts match each other. And there's a little something else too. Love, Jackie and Dorothy.
Oh.
Dear Karla, happy birthday. Celebrating all the good things you are to so many people and the difference you make in so many lives. Happy birthday.
Oh.
Wishing you the best birthday week ever.
Nice.
Big hugs and kisses to you, James, and sweet
Oh.
boy. Oh, Hudson.
The
Dorothy,
Hudson.
I think these kisses are for you.
Yeah.
There's the video that comes with this card. Just scan the QR code. Oh, I can do that with your phone to watch. But we're recording on the phone, so we'll have to do that off camera. We'll show maybe on a live stream or something.
How we do that?
But in case it's a private message, maybe we should, make sure it's
And it'll take James a while to work that out.
Exactly. But I can't. This is high tech. I've never had a high tech birthday.
No,
card
that's great.
before.
I love it.
So Hudson's laying down, which is perfect. So now on to my first gift.
Hey, Huds.
I like this heart-shaped one, so I'm going with this first.
Oh.
Happy, brighten, fun, love, fun, smile. Ooh.
Oh. Oh, that's cool.
Oh. Look, he gets up, he thinks it might be something for him. These are for me.
Oh.
Beautiful bangles.
Oh, those look great with what you have on right now. I'm zooming in.
Perfect. Look at that.
Oh, they look beautiful.
Oh my God, Jackie and Dorothy, they're amazing.
They're fantastic job. Look at Huds. Huds is like, wait.
Look at that.
Oh, they look great, huh?
Focus it.
Yeah, and it's perfect on what you have on. With the jewelry you're wearing today. It's great. Hang on. Takes James, There we go. Nice.
I love it. Perfect.
Yeah, beautiful.
Perfect.
Nice, fantastic job.
And now in this same little bag, something else.
Oops.
Oh my God, it's a moon ring!
Oh, it's a moon ring! Remember, we mentioned it.
Oh my God! Wait, I put it on my ring finger for now because I didn't want.
James is coming closer. What
Wait,
mood?
so creative fun is
Look at
green.
how cool is that?
It's working.
It's working. Creative and fun is in green.
And wait, calm and happy is purple. And very happy is like a deeper purple. I think I'm very happy. Look, very happy.
Yeah, it's going purple.
Very happy.
We had mentioned it. That's awesome. The mood ring.
Wait a minute.
Classic. Oh, Jackie and Dorothy.
I'm gonna figure out what finger
That is
fits best. I've got a lot of rings on, so I'm gonna leave it on this right now. Oh my God, look, it's changing.
Yeah, bring it close. Bring it close. I gotta get it in focus. There we go. Oh man, it looks green to me.
That's relaxed.
Oh, I thought that was miserable with James.
No, stop.
Every time Karla puts it on, it's
That's
bright red.
Creative and fun it just went to.
Oh, nice.
It's getting all my moods.
Yeah, Karla has many moods.
Oh my God, I love it. I haven't seen one of these.
That's a classic. Jackie and
Forever.
Dorothy. We had mentioned on the live stream.
Right.
Can you even find them anymore?
We have the best chat family.
Best chat ever.
They listen to what I'm saying, and somebody said, "Oh my God, they still sell mood rings." Because I was like,
I didn't even know.
Remember those? And I was just like, they couldn't possibly sell those anymore. And Jackie and Dorothy, they found one.
Boom! They
And
come
the
through.
bracelets.
Fantastic job.
Boom.
That is great.
Now, I've spotted something for Hudson.
Why is the mood ring flashing bright red now?
But I spotted something else because Hudson,
Yeah.
Hudson went to go lay in his bed. This is something.
Wait, I'll show Huds. I'm going to show Huds. Huds. Hey, Huds. You involved in this or what?
Now, this is delicate, so I think Hudson can stay where he is because
Yes.
I can see that this is a mug.
Yep.
And I don't want Hudson to jump up and it drop or
Yeah,
anything
nice
like
and
that.
wrapped, nice and safe. Oh, that's pretty.
Ooh, look. Grapes.
Oh,
A sunflower.
pumpkin,
A sunflower. A pumpkin.
sunflower. What a cool color.
Oh, gosh.
Wow, that is cool.
These are beautiful.
Yeah, that's beautiful. A little morning coffee.
Really serene.
Carla
And
takes hers
here-
with skim milk
I don't
and
know
sugar.
if everyone is the same, so I'm going to unwrap each
Oh,
one.
that
I
is
don't know if
beautiful.
everyone is slightly different.
Oh, no, that's beautiful.
Oh, they are. Wait a minute. This is a stainless steel tumbler.
Oh,
A
nice.
matching tumbler.
Oh, that is great. What a pretty pattern.
Look,
Oh, that's great for when you're doing your puzzle.
I'm going to use this in my next puzzle build.
Yeah, so you don't
It's-
spill it all over.
Right, because this, exactly, it's spill proof. Look, it has a sippy top.
Yeah.
So that way I don't spill everything like
Exactly.
I did
It's
on
better
Monday
than that
during
big
the puzzle
plastic
build.
purple thing.
Oh my God, exactly.
Fantastic job,
Oh my
Jackie and
God,
Dorothy.
Jackie B, I mean, not
Someone's thinking.
Jackie and Dorothy, extra, extra good.
Fantastic job.
Now, there's two more in
Yeah,
here.
be careful. That mug's making me nervous. Put it on the table.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on the table right here.
Yeah, there it goes. Oh, that is great.
Oh, you have matching ones.
Oh, now we have matching. Perfect.
I think
That's
I think
perfect for the puzzle
The
builds
pattern-
and in the car.
the pattern is slightly different. I think each one is slightly different.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
And I love the
these are
sunflower on
beautiful.
there.
Now we have each our own, so none of us can
No.
make a mess anymore during our puzzle builds.
Yeah, and Lego.
And Lego. There's
James,
one
you know,
more.
he can get a little messy. James with
Oh,
the
this
Lego.
one's another mug.
Oh,
This
that's
is another
perfect.
ceramic mug. So
Well, that's
this one-
perfect.
So now we each have our own. We both have ceramic mugs.
Oh, and
we
sippy
both
cup.
have- Exactly.
Because we're a team, guys.
Exactly.
Oh, that is fantastic.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, aren't they great? I
I
love
love
their.
them.
Yeah, that blue is sick.
Yeah, beautiful,
Very
beautiful.
fantastic
Thank you,
job.
Jackie and Dorothy. And can't wait to use these in our next puzzle build. Because I'm still doing the
And the
Seymour
bracelets
puzzle.
look sick.
Oh, I love the bracelets. And my mood ring. Now,
Guess who-
look what I found.
Look at who perked up. Hudson.
Hudson.
Here,
better
put the
come back
tumblers on the table.
up. Okay.
Because
Hold
here
on.
comes Mr. Hudson.
Mr.
Ooh, look at the
Boombastic.
stacked. He loves those, the stacked, if I do say so.
I'm going to put this over here.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. Hudson.
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 Come on.
Huds, come on up.
Come on. Okay, mood says happy.
Happy. Hudson's here.
Hudson's here. And there's something for
Oh,
Hudson.
he loves his stack.
Jackie and Dorothy.
Keep
got
them
him.
away from Jim.
Remember did Jackie and Dorothy get these for him before?
I think so.
These are one of his favorites.
Oh, they smell
because
good, too.
They're stacked. They're milk bone biscuits with molasses and peanut butter flavor filling.
Oh.
And they look like an Oreo cookie.
Yeah, they do.
And they come in like a
Keep-
really
yeah, a little
they come
cookie
in a
tray.
cookie pack. Watch
James
this.
could easily get confused one night if he was out snooping around for snacks.
Yeah, exactly. He might be like, oh, those are Oreos for me. Oh,
Yeah.
look at Hudson.
You know, the light is dim and he can't really, you know.
Oh, yeah, exactly. The light is dim.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh, he loves them.
They smell so good of peanut
Yeah.
butter.
Oh, listen, chew cam.
Jackie, Dorothy, they're a hit. He loves them.
Chew cam. Let me zoom in. Oh, he loves them.
Notice he's being eaten. them
Yeah, very
neatly.
neat. One more.
One more.
Yeah,
You want to toss it?
yeah.
All right.
Here we go. Huds. No, he's going for the whole tray.
I-
Hudson, look at how cute these are. Hudson. Huds. Catch. Oh, my bad. Terrible
All
throw.
right, try again.
That was
Do over.
Absolutely horrible throw. Boop. Yes. Oh, fantastic job.
Good boy, sweet boy.
Those
There's
are
more,
fantastic.
Hudson.
Oh my God, he loves them.
There's more. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Ah, he's in the box.
the package.
Huds, it's not a, buffet.
This isn't a buffet.
Smorgasbord.
You'll get more later. You'll get more later.
No, he loves those.
leave it on my lap. There's more.
What is it? What is that?
Love you a latte.
It's a latte.
I have mine.
Yeah.
And
Maybe
now
look at
Hudson
Hud's.
has his.
It's like a little frisbee.
I love you a
Does it-
latte.
Oh, we gotta go down the hall.
Wait, there's more. We will.
Ah!
This is the last gift in the
Ah!
box. Look at this.
What is that? What is
A
that thing?
plushie.
It's a hamburger.
It's a little burger.
It's a, oh my god.
It's a little plushie
Guys,
burger.
I'm getting hungry.
And love you a latte.
Ah.
Hudson, would you like to go down the hall and then you can get another stacked treat? What do you think?
Oh, you'd love it. Hang on.
He's ready. He's all right. Ready to go down the hall.
Look at him.
He's got his little burger toy. He's got his love you latte. Should
Yeah,
I
let me
throw them
just
both
wait.
at the
I want to
same
show.
time?
I want to show.
Okay, show them.
Wait, I'll show Hudson. Hudson.
Oh, he loves the burger.
Oh, he loves the burger.
Oh, he loves it.
Hudson. Hudson.
Now the latte. I love you latte.
Yeah. Look at him. Oh, he loves it.
Oh, he loves it, Jackie and Dorothy. It's a hit. It's a hit. He's like, wait a minute, where'd the burger go?
I know I have two. I know there's two of them.
Yeah, he wanted the burger, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah,
Of
he's
course.
like his dad.
Oh wait, there he goes back to the latte now.
Yeah. Has he got both?
He's back and forth. Come here.
Oh, go help him out.
Which one you got? The burger? It's the burger. Burger cam.
Ha ha! Jackie and Dorothy.
Oh my
fan-
God, Jackie,
Show the
Dorothy.
bracelets.
This is so sweet.
Yeah, look
Extra,
at how pretty
extra
that
good.
is.
Look at that.
Oh, they go perfect
And look
with
at my mood
Karla's.
ring. What's the mood? What's the mood right now? Let's check it out.
Oh, bright green. I've never seen it. Oh no, bright blue. Look, it looks different in the camera. It's
Relaxed, and then it goes to creative and fun.
Nice. That's
Yeah.
Karla in a nutshell.
There we are. Jackie, Dorothy, I love everything. Thank you so much. Can't wait to use the new tumbler, spill-proof, during our next puzzle build. And I'll have the mug every morning with my coffee. James too, we have matching mugs. Extra, extra good. Hudson loved his treats, loved his toys.
Fantastic job.
Extra, extra, extra good. Thank you so much, Jackie.
Thanks,
and
guys.
Dorothy.